Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rome. Thank you guys for joining me. Manchester United drew today with Chelsea 1-1 and it was a hell of a game. Exciting in spurts. We have a very good first half. It was a rough game overall, and I'm glad that we got the draw. We could have got the win in the first half, but it's for another day. So before we go any further, people, remember, people, we are striving to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new, spread it all over the world so people can follow me and subscribe to the channel. So without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right, so I'm going to be honest with you. There were a lot of talk leading up to this game, and mainly the talk was about Cristiano Ronaldo, with him leaving out of the squad, training with the reserve side and everything. And everybody keeps talking about. So for me, and watching the game, I muted my TV altogether because I didn't want to hear the commentators talking about Cristiano this, Cristiano that. And during the game, Rashford had a goal that was, he missed a goal. I'm not going to lie, is that he had a one-on-one chance with the keeper and he missed it. And true to form, this Manchester United so-called lovers of Manchester United pundits, Roy Keane, who is now a Cristiano fanboy and not a Manchester United fanboy, said Marcus, his first chance, Ronaldo would have scored that. No, I don't know if Ronaldo would have scored. I do know that Rashford missed. I do know that Ronaldo had a multiple chances to score in this season and he didn't. And it could have been his legs, it could have been him not being fit enough, it could have been multiple things. But the fact that he's using the fact that Rashford missed to say that Ronaldo would have scored when Ronaldo wasn't scoring all season, hasn't been scoring all season, it's just bullshit to me, fam. And a lot of people keep saying that kind of stuff and it's pissing me the fuck off. So I'm telling you straight, Roy Keane, fuck you, fam. And fuck everyone at Manchester United fan and Cristiano Ronaldo fanboys who keep saying this type of shit. Yo, I'm a Manchester United fan. I support Manchester United. If Cristiano Ronaldo can't conform to what Manchester United is doing, then he should leave, fam. But nobody no want to offer him the money. Offer him the big money when him required because what? Because he's not scoring as much goals as he possibly could. He can't shift your entire team for Cristiano Ronaldo at 37 years old, fam. You cannot. Solskjaer did it last season. He failed, he got fired. I'm done talking about Cristiano Ronaldo. Now to the game. And the game ended 1-1. I'm not going to lie. The first half was brilliant for Manchester United, especially the first 35 minutes. We held on to the ball much more. We passed the ball through the lanes as much as we can. And we got two clear chances that should have scored. Rashford, that should have scored, fam. That should have scored. Anthony, that should have scored, fam. That should have scored. All in all, we created some good chances in the first half. But after 35 minutes, when Graham Potter made that change in the midfield, he brought on Kovacic in the midfield and then take off Cucurella. What that did was like congested the midfield more, give them more possession of the football. So now we have an equal ball field for play on. And you can see in the last 10 minutes of the game that they were actually passing the ball in the midfield and playing the ball around now, which was definitely different from the first 35 minutes. And so that changed the game a little bit. Kovacic, Chelsea had the team to build, different aspects of the team, the reserves to change the game and play the game the way they wanted to. Manchester United doesn't. And that's because of our team and our squad at the moment. However, we held on to the game for as long as we could. That penalty was a fucked up penalty. Cheap penalty. I don't want to hear about that. That was a cheap penalty compared to the last time we got the last game that we didn't get the penalty against for Sancho. So I don't even want to talk about it. But Cashimero, Cash, Cashimero, fam. Pull out a sweet header, boy. The muscles in that head. To get another corner. Kepa got a touch with, yes, but we fought back, people. We fought back and we got the victory, and I love it. Love every friggin' second of it, fam. Game was good. Again, we should have won that game, especially in the first half. 2 clear chances that we didn't score. And since then, it's just. But I'm not going to lie. This game was set up perfectly for us to win it. It didn't. Let's just focus on the other aspect of it now, which is going on to the next round of the Champions of the Europa League and then to West Ham over the weekend. So again, good job for Manchester United. Man City won as well, so they keep up pressure on Arsenal. Let's just fight to get into the top 1 and work our way up. But we're right there. We're so close. We are so close, people. We'll get there soon now. We will get there soon now. Anyway, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Take care of yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Take care of others. Manaz.